Every relationship starts with hope, but not everyone knows how to make love last. Welcome to Relationship Blueprint, where we decode the psychology of love, attraction, and connection. Here we talk about what really makes relationships thrive, from understanding emotional needs to learning how to communicate better, love deeper, and grow stronger together. This isn't about perfect love stories. It's about real people, real lessons, and building the kind of bond that lasts through anything. If you're ready to understand love, not just feel it, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and start building your relationship blueprint today.